Hello everyone, Arlene Mendez. Okay, these are the three bouquet of flowers that we did. I thought I should mention to you that all the expenses here, it didn't even take me, let's say, $12 to buy all the materials, including the flowers, because what we did, we just took all the materials from recycle, and now this is the last one that I did. I put everything now, the leaves with the strings are here. I'm just going to stick it again, and let's put this in the pedestal, the one that I was telling you about, so it gives more almost like better value if you're going to sell it. But I'm going to put this at Joya's room or my kids' room. So it's always been a pleasure to do this with you guys. So hopefully we can do more next week. Okay, so thank you so much for watching again, and there you go, 3 bouquets of flowers, or 3 different kinds. Okay, bye.